Hello, petrol heads, history hounds, and retro enthusiasts. Have you ever heard of a car so unique, so unexpected, that its very existence defies logic? Today, we're taking a joyride back to the 1960s to uncover a fascinating automotive anomaly. Get ready to meet a vehicle that was a paradox on wheels, a symbol of capitalist flair behind the Iron Curtain, the legendary Bulgar Renault 8. This isn't just any old car story, it's a tale of international intrigue, socialist enterprise, and a whole lot of French charm. Picture this: it's the 1960s, and Bulgaria is a proud member of the Eastern Bloc. Western goods, especially cars, were about as common as a unicorn driving a Ferrari. Yet, somehow, a stylish French compact car managed to sneak its way into Bulgarian hearts and factories. The idea for this unlikely partnership wasn't born overnight. It emerged from a desire to modernize the Bulgarian economy and offer its citizens something a bit more zippy than the standard Eastern European fare. Who knew bureaucratic meetings could lead to such automotive excitement? In 1966, an astonishing agreement was signed between Bulgaria's state-owned enterprise, Bullet, and the mighty French automaker, Renault. The plan was audacious: to assemble Renault cars right there in socialist Bulgaria. The chosen location for this manufacturing marvel was Plovdiv, one of Bulgaria's most ancient cities. Imagine a modern car plant rising amidst Roman ruins, churning out cars that represented a sliver of Western aspiration. It certainly made for a peculiar sight. This collaboration was truly an anomaly. While other socialist countries mostly produced licensed versions of Soviet designs, Bulgaria was importing French parts and putting them together. It was like hosting a disco party in a library, totally unexpected but utterly captivating. The assembly line in Plovdiv began humming, piecing together the chic Renault 8. These weren't fully Bulgarian-made cars, they were more like very well-traveled kits. The majority of components, from engines to body panels, arrived from France. Bulgarian workers then meticulously assembled these parts, stamping the car with its distinctive Bulgar badge. It was a badge of local pride, even if the car's soul was distinctly Parisian. The quality, surprisingly, was often on par with its French-built cousins. Rumor has it that some early models even had made in France stamps on various parts. This added a charming layer of international mystery to every car. It also provided bragging rights for proud owners. For the average Bulgarian, owning a Bulgar Renault 8 was more than just having a car, it was a dream on wheels. This stylish, rear-engine sedan was a tangible symbol of modernity and a subtle nod to Western elegance. Compared to the more utilitarian Ladas or Moskviches available, the Renault 8 was a revelation. Its sleek lines, comfortable interior, and peppy performance made it an instant object of desire. Waiting lists for ownership were famously long. People saved diligently, often for years, to acquire one of these automotive treasures. It wasn't just transportation, it was a statement. Driving a Bulgar Renault 8 meant you had arrived, in more ways than one. Despite its popularity, production of the Bulgar Renault 8 was relatively limited, especially compared to mass-produced Eastern Bloc vehicles. Only around 5,000 units of the Renault 8 variant were made before production shifted to the Renault 10. Many of these beloved cars eventually succumbed to time, wear, and the harsh Bulgarian winters. Parts became scarce, and maintenance challenging. Sadly, a good number simply rusted away, fading into automotive history. Today, finding an original Bulgar Renault 8 is like discovering a hidden treasure. They are exceedingly rare and highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Each surviving model tells a compelling story of a unique era. This car is more than just metal and rubber, it's a tangible piece of Bulgarian automotive folklore. It represents a bold, if brief, moment when a socialist nation embraced a bit of capitalist chic. Its rarity only adds to its legendary status. So, the Bulgar Renault 8 stands as a charming reminder of a time when cars were symbols of aspiration, and international cooperation could blossom in the most unexpected places. It's a testament to good design and enduring appeal. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through automotive history. If you enjoyed learning about this quirky piece of car culture, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Drive safe.